Alright guys, today we're doing a quick taste test of this. These are the 3 Farmers roasted chickpeas, and yeah, this is the barbecue flavor. Never tried it out, so here we go. Here's the nutrient panel, and if you want to read it, pause the video. Here's the ingredients, and let's do a quick taste test. Alright, there it is. All opened up, that's what it looks like. Alright. The barbecue flavor is there, but it's very subtle, and they're just like regular chickpeas. You get more of the regular taste of chickpeas, and kind of dry. I sort of like the roasted lentils better. So, alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, please drop a channel.